Good evening, everyone. I am Somak, a research scholar at School of Mathematics and Statistics, University of Hyderabad. So today I will solve problems from assignment 2 of previous year. So let me first show you the questions. Question is first question. You consider the following statements. Statement P is that the characteristics of a first order linear PD are straight lines. Okay, so I have to find which one of the following assertion are correct, true or false. So option first go through option first statement P, that is the characteristic of a first order linear PD or straight line. No, the characteristic of first order linear PD are not straight line. I will give example in this regard. Okay, so someone is joining. Ravi Shankar. Hello. So I am Somak Nag, a research scholar at School of Mathematics, University of Hyderabad. So I will solve problem from assignment 2 of previous year. So can you see the screen, Ravi? Please respond. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Continue.
Okay. Continue. Okay. So the first question is that the true or false type. Consider the following statement. The characteristic of a first order linear PD are straight lines. But the answer is false because I will give example. So question number 1, statement P is saying that characteristic of a first order linear PD are straight line, but it is not true. Characteristic because let me give an example. First order linear PD means x, y are independent variable. I am taking z as the dependent variable. So I will write what is p and small p after writing this equation. D, where small p is del z del x and small q is del z del y. Okay, someone wants to join. Just let me join him or her. Okay, so the this is the first order linear PD. Okay, now I will give example that I take p, capital P, which is a function of xy. It is a x, and capital Q, which is function of xy, but I took it as 1. Okay, and I took r also 1 and d equal to 0 for an example to show that the characteristic of this particular linear PD are not straight line. So my equation becomes x p, p is del z del x small p, plus q equal to z, right? So by the method of character and with the initial condition, I am assuming that x of 0 is is 1, y of 0 is 0, and z of 0 is again 1. So by method of characteristic, dx dt is equal to what? Can you tell anyone what is dx dt? uh, let me saw the name Ravi and Kumkum, if possible. You please unmute yourself and tell. Okay, someone wants to join. Just 1 minute. Okay, so can you tell what is dx dt? Dx dt is nothing but the coefficient of del z del x, that is x. Okay, and dy dt is the coefficient of del z del y, that is coefficient of q is 1, so del dy dt is 1, and dz dt is the term which is in the right hand side, anything that is z. So by solving this I am getting by solving the first equation I will get dx by x equal to dt. Now I integrate both side. By integrating both side I will get what, log x equal to t plus log c1. I take the constant as log c1, so that I get x equal to c1 into e power t, right? So my initial condition is giving us x of 0 is what, x of 0 is 1 I took, so 1 equal to c1, c1 has the value 1, so x equal to x of t equal to e power t, right? Now solving the second equation is dy dt is 1 with y0 is 0, so dy dt is 1, that means by integrating what we get, that means dy equal to d, now integrate,
Y equals to T.
yes, y equal to t plus c2, some constant, okay, integration
Yes.
constant, and y of 0 is what, y of 0 I am assuming as 0, so c2 is what, c2 is 0, y of 0 is 0 implies c2 is 0, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so y equal to t I get, right? And if I solve again dz dt equal to I took as z, so I get z equal to same as this equation, and this equation is same na for z and x, this equation and this equation are same, so I will get z equal to some another constant into e power t, right? So I took z of 0 is equal to 1, so 1, so I get c3 equal to 1, so my z becomes only power t. Now you saw that you can check that x, if I eliminate t from xt and yt, what I get, x equal to e power y, right? That means y equal to log x. This is again, this is the equation of a characteristic, right? But it is not a straight line. Y equal to log x is not a straight line, right? What is the curve? Suppose it is x axis, it is y axis, so y equal to log x is like this, it is not a straight line, obviously. So the options are given, so the statement p that tells you have to find the true or false statement. So statement p is false, the characteristic of a first order linear pd are straight line, but I got it is not a straight line. Okay, any question from this, if you have, ask me. Any question?
No, sir. Proceed, sir.
Okay, so I will move to statement 2 now, statement q. The system of characteristic ODEs for a first order linear PD is a linear system. So what do you think? Any one of you can tell. Is it true? Since the answer always given it is false, but if you said it is false, you have to give some reason. Okay. So the system of characteristic ODEs for a first order linear PD is a linear system. So what do you think? It is true or false? If it is true, then why, and false, then give example.
Sir, we can get a non-linear system also.
Huh. Yes. So how, you tell me? Mane, can you give any reason for that? First order linear PD means pxy into small p that I wrote plus qxy to small q equal to rxy z plus some d, where p is del z del x, q is del z del y, and z is the only dependent variable, xy are independent variable. So what is the, and you know that capital P is a function of xy and capital Q, these are any function of xy, any functions of x, of x and y. Okay, so what do you think, Ravi? You You said that it is false, but why? Can you tell, Ravi, or anyone? Hello.
Sir, we can get like quadratic equation also, more
Ah,
than one
yes.
power
That is
in a
the thing.
nonlinear form.
Yes, yes. Because P and Q are any function of xy. Okay. Here I wrote na P and Q are any functions of xy. So I can get any nonlinear, any x square plus y square, anything xy. Okay. So this may not be a linear system because PQR are any function of xy. Suppose if it is form of ax plus by, and if it is form of if cx plus dy, then I can say it is a linear system, something like that. But it is not a, the P and Q are any function of xy. So my conclusion is this may not be a linear system. This may not be a linear system because P, Q, R are as are any functions of x comma y. Okay. Okay. So now this asserts that option Q, statement Q is also false. Now I will move to statement R. So okay, the statement R says that the given a first order PD, any two integral surface such that their intersection is non-empty, the intersection is a characteristic curve. That is that. So given any first order PD, the integral surface if they intersect along a characteristic curve. Is it true? What do you think? What do you think?
Sir, it is a true, it seems.
It is true. You are saying. Okay, let me write. Statement R. Statement R. Statement R is saying that two integral surface intersect, then it intersect along a characteristic curve. You are saying yes, but the answer is no actually, because two integral surface may not necessarily intersect along a characteristic curve. Okay, they two integral surface may intersect along a surface also. Two in two integral surface. Yes.
Sir, the set are non-empty. The intersecting set are non-empty.
Non-empty means they intersect. Mane, that means that their intersection is non-empty, means they intersect along a curve, along a line, along at a point, or along any surface also. Need not necessarily along characteristic curve. Okay. I, I will give example. Two integral surface may intersect along a surface also. This is a correct statement. Mane, I am saying this statement R is false, but this statement, say suppose I call it as R star. This is correct true statement. So what my R says? R says that the given a first order PD, any two integral surface such that their intersection is non-empty, the intersection is a characteristic curve. But it is not true, because I am saying that if given a first order PD, if any integral surface intersect, they may intersect along a surface also. Okay. Actually, we have discussed this non-trivial example in last class. Soikat is another TA. So in his class, it already discussed. Okay, just for convenience, I am giving you can check, that is, suppose uxy is u and u x comma 0 is e power x. Then what are the possible integral surface you have. You can find that u is given by e power x plus y is again, and u tilde is giving us e power x minus y. These are both are the solution of this equation. You can check, and both satisfies the initial condition. You put y equal to 0, both that you can check that both satisfy the initial condition, and if you derivative with respect to x, both satisfy ux equal to u, this equation. But they are not intersect along the characteristic curve. Okay. Okay, you can check this. Okay, any question, Ravi? Any question, Ravi? Got it. Okay, okay, thank you. So I'll move to then. So the options are both are p q r, both are false. So option A1 is true, and option 4 is true. My correct. Option 1 is correct and option 4 is correct. Okay. So now I will move to the question number 3. That is, consider the Cauchy problem this. Which one of the following represent a characteristic curve passing through the point 1, 1, 1? Okay, so let me write the Cauchy problem. Cauchy problem is given by x minus y into ux plus y minus x minus u equal to u, with condition is given u x comma x equal to 1 and x is in R. This the characteristic passes through 1, 1, 1. Okay, first solve by characteristic method. Characteristic method says, sorry, characteristic method says that what is dx dt? Dx dt is coefficient of ux, that is x minus y. Dy dt is coefficient of uy, y minus x minus u, and du dt is in what is in the right hand side, u. Okay, so what I did is that I have to solve this system of ODE. So I will take first two equation first. First dx dt and dy dt I will add. So I get dx dt plus dy dt. If I add x, y both cancel out, it becomes minus u. Okay. So I got this can be written as like this, d of x plus y equal to minus u. Now I integrate both sides. Sorry. I integrate both sides. So I got x d of x plus y equal to minus u dt, right? Okay, let me first find u from this equation. Let me find u. So du by u equal to dt. So it means I integrate, I get log u equal to t plus some log c1. So u I get as c1 e power t. Okay, so I am putting this u here. So what I get d of x plus y equal to minus c1 e power t dt. So I integrate now both sides. Integration, I get x plus y equal to minus c1 e power t plus c2. Okay, now you check what is the condition given. Condition is given that uxx equal to 1. That means datum curve is datum curve gamma equal to x0 y of 0 u0. Okay, now I took the parameter as s, so I got x x equal to 1, ux comma x equal to 1. So I put x0 as s, y0 as again s, and u0 1. Understand? Who the Ravi, you understand? Ravi?
Sir, the last step could not get.
This one.
Datum curve.
Okay. Ux equal to 1 na, it is given as initial condition, right? Is it here? This is the equation with the initial condition is this. Okay, so u
Yes, sir.
okay, so Ux equal to 1 means initially what? Initially I took x0 as s, I put x equal to s, y equal to x, which is equal to s again, and u0 is 1.
Okay.
So s1 is this is called datum curve, the initial condition, initial curve. Okay, so what I get? I got I put like, let me, this is okay. So I from here I am writing what I got is that uh, I put t equal to 0. So u of 0 equal to 1 implies I am putting t equal to 0 here in this equation. So 1 equal to c1 into e power 0. So I got c1 equal to 1, right? So I am putting this c1 value here. So x plus y equal to minus e power t plus c2. Okay. So what is then? So y equal to what? Y equal to c2 minus e power t minus x, right? Robi, you got it? This step you got, Robi? Someone wants to
Yeah.
join?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Proceed, sir.
Yes, someone wants to join. Let me admit him. Sarmila Devi. Uh, okay. So I'm solving. Okay, maybe some other people join. Okay, actually I am solving this Cauchy problem by using the method of characteristic. So Sarmila, you know this method, characteristic method, that dx dt I wrote as dx dt equal to the coefficient of ux, dy dt is coefficient of y minus coefficient of ui, and du dt is 1 u. But by the way, can you please, Ravi, can you please mute yourself? Okay. Okay, so dx dt is this. I am solving this first order ODE system. I just add these two first two equation. I got this, and from this I find from du dt equal to u, I find what is u, and the initial condition is giving u xs equal to 1. So I considered the datum curve and initial condition as parameterized s1. Okay, so I got u0 is 1, so c1 is 1, and I put here in place of u, so I got x plus y. Up to this I did. Okay, so I got y in terms of x. Now I will put this value of y in dx dt to solve for x only. So I got dx dt, I know dx dt equal to x minus y, that is x minus c2 plus e power t plus x minus y, I just put the value of y. Now I will solve this equation. So this is dx dt plus minus 2x equal to e power t minus c2. Okay, this line is okay. Sharmila or Ravi?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Got, sir.
Okay, fine, just okay. So after, so I am you know how to solve this differential equation. This is of the form dy dx plus p function of x into y equal to qx, like that. You know this, how to solve this equation. Ravi and Sharmila, anyone response? If not, then I can tell, no problem, no hesitation. You know Ravi and or yeah, Sharmila or anyone else? No, Ravi or Sharmila Devi, you know how to solve this differential equation? this type of differential equation, dy dx plus px into y equal to qx.
Sir, through separation of variable, we can try like.
No, no, I'm. It is better. It will be better to solve by integrating factor. You know, integrating factor. Integrating factor is what? Integrating factor is e power integral p.
Integral PDX.
And you. Hello. Yes. Tell me. Who is there? Hello, Sharmila. Yes. Tell me. Any problem? Hello. Okay. Maybe. Okay. Actually, by multiplying this integrating factor, the equation become exact. So, now what I have to do? I have to multiply with this integrating factor of this equation. So what will be the left hand side? Left hand side is, yes. Tell me. Yes. Who is there? Unmute yourself and tell me.
Yes, sir, we can do it after integrating factor. MDX plus NDX form it will come.
Yes, absolutely correct. Equal to this. Now you just integrate, you got the answer, right? So the same process I will apply here in my case. I'm just this is not my case. So integrating factor is what in this case? Tell me, Ravi. E to the power integral what? Ravi or Sharmila Devi? Anyone? Just you.
Minus 2, sir.
Yes,
Minus 2x
minus 2
dx.
into dt because t is there. dt over.
Data.
And here it is x. So e to the power minus 2t, right? So my equation becomes ddt of, after multiplying with the integrating factor, I am writing multiplying by integrating factor, we get exact equation, exact differential equation. So this is x into e power minus 2t equal to, understand this line? You understand, Ravi and Sharmila? Understand or not? Tell me. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, we got, sir. Proceed.
Okay, okay. You please respond, huh? Okay. So after then I am integrating, huh? I am integrating this.
And we will get the general solution.
Huh. So from in the next page I'm just going. So I will get like x into e power minus 2t equal to integral of e power minus t dt minus c2 e power minus 2t dt plus another constant c3. Okay, so what is this integral? Okay, so what is x? Tell me, what is x of t? Ravi, is it okay? This line?
Yes, sir, correct.
Okay, thank you. Unmute yourself. Okay, so I got xt equal to this. Now what is my initial condition? Initial condition is x of 0 is equal to s that I took, right? You understand now, the s comma 1 I took. So x of 0 is x, y of 0 s, and u of 0 is 1. Okay, so I put t equal to 0, so what I get? S equal to -2 plus c2 plus 2c3 by 2, right? So that means c2 plus 2c3 is what? 2 into 1 plus s. Understand, Robi?
Yes, sir. Got, sir.
Okay, then my y is what? Y equal to I got. Let me go to this slide. What I got? Y equal to I got c2 minus e power t minus x. So I will put x value here to get y. So I got y equal to c2 minus e power t minus x. X is what? X is this thing. Okay, let me put a right. X is this I am putting. So plus minus x. So plus e power t minus c2 by 2 minus c3 e power 2t. Right. So e power t cancel out. So I got y equal to c2 by 2 minus c3 e power 2t. Understand? Y of t equal to. Understand? C2 minus C2 by 2 is C2 by 2 and minus C3 power 2t. Robi? So y of 0 is s. I am putting t equal to 0. So s equal to C2 by 2 minus C3. So C2 minus 2C3 is 2s. Right? Robi? Or Sharmila Devi, you have any question? Up to this, you can ask. Got it? You please. Achha, I have to actually my message, chat box I cannot. So got it. Okay. And Sharmila Devi, you? Hello. Okay, let me write. So I have to find xt and yt. So I have to solve these two equations. This equation is one for C2 and C3, and the another equation is this. So my two equations are C2 plus. Hello. Okay, fine. C2 plus 2C3 equal to 2 into 1 plus s. Another equation is C2 minus 2C3 equal to 2s. So I just add these two equations. By adding I get 2C2 equal to 2 plus 4s. So C2 equal to 1 plus 2s. And what is C3? C3 equal to C2 minus 2s by 2, right? So C2 minus 2s by 2 is 1 plus 2s minus 2s by 2, simply half. So now now what is x and y finally becomes? So x, which is a function of t and s, two parameters. Such x is, I am putting the value of c2 and c3, okay, in x and y. Minus 2 e power t plus 1 plus 2s plus e power 2t by 2, and y is 1 plus 2s minus e power 2t by 2. Okay. And what is u I got? U I got as e power t from first. So now let's move to the question. The question says that which one of the following represent a characteristic curve in the parametric form, that is a function of t, passing through the point 1 1 1. So here my, let me move to next page. So here my datum curve is given as S1, but this is shows that this curve passes through 1 1 1. So comparing with this, what is the value of S? Tell me. This is given SS1. and it is passing through 1 1 1. So what is S?
1 sir, 1 1.
1 1. So I have to put S equal to 1 to get the parametric form of the characteristic equation. I have to put which one of the following represent a characteristic curve in parametric form. So I have to put S equal to 1 to get the parametric form of the characteristic curve. So I will now let me move here. I have to put S equal to 1. So xt is what? Minus 2 e power t plus 1 plus 2 is 3 plus e power 2t by 2. Yt equal to 1 plus 2 means 3 minus e power 2t by 2, and ut is e power t. So I will write this and compare with the equation. Just I am putting S equal to 1, so I got xt equal to minus 2 e power t plus 3 plus e power 2t by 2. Yt I got as 3 minus e power 2t by 2, and ut I got as e power t. So this is the, so what is the answer? Answer is which one? Which is the answer? Option A.
Option A sir.
Yes, option A is the correct option. Option A. So option A correct. Okay. So is this clear? Any question? Any question from this problem? Robi and Sarmila Devi, you have any question from this problem? Yes, tell me. Hello, tell me. Hello. You can
No,
write.
sir.
Okay, okay.
No, sir.
No question. Okay, fine, fine. So I am moving to next problem. So Robi, you have any question?
No sir, proceed sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, fine. So I am moving to the next problem number 5.
Okay. Sir, when will we use the Cauchy condition while solving equation?
What Cauchy condition means? You tell me again the question. Let me write it. What is your question? What is? Yes, tell me, Robi. What is your question?
Sir, we verify some Cauchy condition while solving equation.
Cauchy condition. Which type of equation? Linear, semi-linear? Cauchy data, you can say. Cauchy initial data is that.
Okay.
Gamma
Sir, okay,
is.
sir. I'm not sure about this, sir. Okay, proceed, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. This is Cauchy data, you can say. But Cauchy condition, maybe. Anyone of you other Sharmila, you know, or Soikat? Cauchy condition. Soikat?
Yeah, sorry. What is the question?
His question is what is how to verify Cauchy condition. I don't know this thing.
We verify Cauchy condition.
Cauchy condition is what?
I guess that is the same as Cauchy data, I guess. No,
Same as?
I don't know. I mean, I'm just guessing that it's not it same as Cauchy data. I mean, Cauchy data is a condition.
Cauchy data means this gamma. This what is
Uh,
the initial condition?
Initial condition. I mean, I don't think there is anything other than this, which is called Cauchy condition.
Yes, sir. Proceed, sir. I simply got in my mind.
Okay, no problem. You can ask. No need. No problem. Okay, so you saw the question number 5. It is written that consider the first order quasi-linear PD. This. Which one of the following subset of R3 is the largest set containing the points xyz such that a square plus b square is known? A means the coefficient of ux, b means the coefficient of uy. Okay. You saw the question, Ravi? Hello? maybe yes, so I'm writing this. Question number 5 is that equation is 2x u ux plus 2y u uy equal to u square minus x square plus y square. So here a equal to 2xu. A is the coefficient of ux and b is the coefficient of uy. Okay, 2yu. So we have to check that question is we have to check which one of the following subset of R3 is the largest set containing the points such that a square plus b square is non-zero. So this is same as I have to find the smallest plane containing the I have to find the smallest plane where a square plus b square equal to 0. Then I can remove this part from R3, the total plane. Then I got the answer. Is not it? Suppose you have to find those xyz for which this is non-zero. So that means you have to find first you find those xyz for which it is 0 and remove this part from R3 plane. Is not it, Ravi or Sharmila Devi?
Yes, sir. Correct method, sir.
So you have to find those xyz such that a square plus b square is non-zero. So that means that R3 minus those set xyz such that a square plus b square is 0. This is same. These two set are same set, equal set. Okay. So let me find a square plus b square first. It is 4x square u square plus 4y square u square. So this means 4u square into x square plus y square. So what is if a square plus b square is 0, then what is the possible cases? This now tell me what are the possible cases. Hello, can you tell anyone? Robi or Sharmila, what are the possible cases from this line, from the last line? Either u square equal to 0 or x square plus y square is 0, right? Or both. Is it okay? This line implies this line.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Okay, this means u equal to 0, or this means u square 0 means u equal to 0. I just square root. And x square plus y square equal to 0 means what? X square is a positive term, non-negative term, positive or 0. Y square is a non-negative term. X square is positive or 0. Y square is positive or 0. But their sum is 0. This means what?
Both should be 0. X, Y
Yes.
both 0.
Both x comma y equal to 0 comma 0. Okay. That is the thing. So I got either u0 or x comma y equal to 0 0. So that means either u equal to 0 means what? Xy plane. Now let me move to the next page, then I will describe. So this is x, y, u. So u equal to 0 means what? So everything is here, xy plane, right? Hello, Robi. X.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Getting, sir. Getting.
Okay. Fine. U equal to 0 means this, and x comma y equal to 0 means any point in this line, z in this u axis. Understand? Any point what is 0 comma 0 comma something. Any point on u axis is what? 0 0 any c, say, or c belongs to some r real number. Understand now? So we have to find So you have to find the largest set containing this xyz largest set which satisfies this property. That means, okay, somebody wants to join. Let me join. Shiva Kumar.
Uh,
Hello.
so,
Hi.
sir,
Yes, tell me.
so,
Tell me.
sir, or origin 000 will satisfy this condition.
Yes, excellent. Largest set such that a square plus b square is non-zero. Okay, you have to find. This means I am finding R3 minus smallest set such that a square plus b square is 0. A square plus b square is 0. Understand? What is the smallest intersection between these here? Yes.
Origin, sir.
So R3 minus this is only origin 0 0 0. Only this set. So the answer for this question is option C. You check which one of the following is the largest set containing the points this a square plus b square non-zero. So I find the points where a square plus b square equal to 0, and then I remove this set from R3. So the set where a square plus b square equal to 0 is only 0 0 0 point. So I got the answer as C, R3 minus 0 0 0. So any question, or maybe Shiva Kumar, you joined later. So so uh, so you please go through this question and tell me if you have any problem, or other person, other people have any problem. Sharmila, you have any question? Yes, tell me.
Sir, once a diagram, sir, previous page diagram. That photo I want to see.
Oh, diagram. Yes, yes, yes. Ajay, u equal to 0 means xy plane, right? These points here in this plane, and what is and what is xy equal to 0 means u axis. So what are the intersection? Intersection is only the point 0 0 0. I am finding the smallest set because I have to find the largest set such that a square plus b square is non-zero. That means I have just complement R3 minus smallest set such that a square plus b square is 0. You understand, Robi?
Yes, sir, got, sir.
Okay. And other person, Shiva Kumar and Sharmila. Sharmila, or what is his name? Her name. Any question? I'm showing the figure. You please tell.
Sir, no
Yes.
problem.
No problem. Okay, fine. And Mr. Shiva Kumar, you have any question? Or you want to see the question first? This is visible, Shiva Kumar. Hello. Okay. Okay, I'm moving to the next. Hello. You want to say something, Shiva Kumar? Okay. Okay, let me move to then problem number 7. Is this visible? Problem 7. Ravi, or anyone tell?
Yes, sir, we can say
Okay.
it.
So the question is that a partial differential equation, this is a given partial differential equation, a Cauchy data. You are saying na Cauchy condition. You are giving a various Cauchy data for this option. So you have to find which Cauchy data satisfy the transversality condition in the data everywhere on the datum curve. So you know what is transversality condition? I'm writing the question first. The equation is given by. So you know what is the transversality condition? Anyone? Let me show you the question again. This is the question. for this partial differential equation, you are given some various Cauchy data. These are given by options A, B, C, and D. Identify all such Cauchy data for which the transversality condition is satisfied everywhere on the datum curve. So I am proceeding. Okay. So here what is the transversality condition? Let me write first. Transversality condition means okay, actually Cauchy data is given as gamma that I told you, x0, y0, u0. This is Cauchy data. This is also called datum curve. So this x0 is a function of s. I took fs. Y0 is a function of s and u0 is again a function of s, where s is the parameter. I parameterize this Cauchy data. Okay. Transversality condition is that you know that the coefficient of ux is, suppose the equation is like this, x y u ux plus b x y u uy equal to c x y u. Okay, so transversality condition is this is a Jacobian at 0 comma s, which is given by a acting at, I put a, I put x, I put t equal to 0. So x0 y0 u0 means a of fs gs hs, right, and b of fs gs hs. Here I will write f dash s and g dash s. If this determinant is non-zero, then I said the transversality condition satisfied. Okay, this is a condition, transversality condition. You told me na Cauchy condition. Maybe it is transversality condition. You are assuming. I don't know. Maybe. So this is transversality condition. If this Jacobian is non-zero, then I said that the data, this x0, y0, u0 satisfies the transversality condition. So any question from this, from the transversality condition? Then otherwise I will move to the problem. What is given? Any question?
Proceed. So sir, basically here it is a non-singular, like if we compare.
হ্যাঁ মানে determinant is non-zero means matrix, হ্যাঁ non-singular matrix. Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes,
Proceed,
yes,
sir.
non-singular, non-singular. If it is non-singular, then I say that it is satisfies the transversality condition. Okay, so here my question, here my a is coefficient of ux, that is x square plus y square, and b is y, and c is 4u. So I am writing a b and c here. So here my a x y u is x square plus y square, and b x y u is y, and c I not required here, but I wrote c is 4u just. For the computation of this Jacobian, this is called Jacobian. J stands for Jacobian. C is not required. So let me calculate this J. So first I have to find what is x0, y0, u0. So for you have to check option by option. So you are given various Cauchy data. So first data is u1 comma x plus 1 is 0. So let me write the option A, first one. u1 comma x plus 1 is 0. So what is x0? X0 is 1, y0 is s plus 1, and u0 is 0. You understand this line? So my gamma is what? Gamma is x0, y0, u0, which is a function of s, I wrote. So equal to fs gs hs. So what is fs? From with this, fs is what? Fs is 1, and gs is s plus 1, and hs is 0. Understand, Robi or other who are there? This line, I'm showing you the line again. I just here it is given in my last problem, it is giving you x6 equal to 1. So I put the curve as what? S comma s comma 1, right? In my last problem. And here it is given 1 comma x plus 1 is 0. So I put a 1 s plus 1 0 like that. Understand?
Yes, sir. Got, sir.
Okay, I'm just removing this thing. So okay, so now I will calculate this determinant, that Jacobian. So the Jacobian is given by J0s equal to A, which is at Fs, Gs, Hs, F dashes here, and B, Fs, Gs, Hs, and G dashes, right? So what is A? A is my x square plus y square. So A at Fs, Gs, Hs is what? F square plus G square. So that means 1 square plus s plus 1 whole square. What is f dash s? F dash s is 0 because derivative of 1 is 0. What is b? B is y. Y means gs. This is s plus 1. And what is g dash s? G dash s is 1. Understand this line? Oh, somebody wants to join now. PMRF support. So
Sir, that value, how did we get to this?
actually A acting at, I have to find A x y u is x square plus y square. Now I have to find A Fs Gs Hs. I have to find A at Fs Gs comma Hs. So I just put x, I just replace x by Fs and y by Gs. That is Fs square plus Fs whole square plus Gs whole square. Now Fs
Yes,
is
sir. Got, sir.
now
Got,
Fs.
sir. Got.
Okay, thank you. Now I put the value of Fs and Gs. So like this. Okay, so what is the determinant? The determinant is, let me just first remove this. So so the determinant is 1 square plus s plus 1 whole square, right? And it is the sum of two positive term. It is strictly positive, so it cannot be equal to 0, right? So my J0s is non-zero for all s belongs to real number. So my transversality condition satisfied for this problem. Okay, any question?
Sir, after this, what we will do after finding the condition?
Now you have to find the question is given that for which data you have to find the for which there are given various Cauchy data. Okay, so identify all such Cauchy data for which the transversality condition is satisfied. So you have to identify from where the Jacobian is non-zero. So option A is correct. Now I will move to option B and C and D like that. Okay. Okay. Now I will move to option B. Option B is u sin x comma cos x equal to given 1. So what is x0? X of 0 is what? Tell me. Tell me, anyone, Robi or anyone?
Sin x, sir.
Sin s,
Sin.
parameterized by s. This is cos s, and what u0 is 1, right? So what is j0s? It is this is fs. I told you na last time just. This is gs and this is hs, right? So what is x fs? What is a at fs gs hs? It is f square plus g square. I just removed this line. J0 is what? A at Fs, Gs, Hs, F dash S. This is B at Fs, Gs, Hs, G dash S. So A is what? A is x square plus y square, that is f square plus g square here. What is sin square plus cos square? 1. This is cos s, this is again cos s, this is minus sin s, derivative. Is it okay? Robi or other?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Minus sin s minus cos square s, the determinant value. So minus sin s plus cos square s, right? Now you have to check it is positive, it is 0 or not. So let me show you the interval. The interval is x equal to 0 to pi by 2. Here x, option B, x equal to 0 to pi by 2. So in my case I took x equal to s, so s belongs to 0 to pi by 2. So is it 0 anywhere? Sin s and cos s, open interval, tell me.
Sir, not 0 anywhere.
Anywhere not 0, so it is completely non-zero. So Jacobian is non-zero, so transversity condition satisfied, so option B is also correct, right? Option A is correct, option B is also correct, option A is also correct. Now I'll move to option C. Option C is what? Option C, uxx equal to x. X belongs to 0 to infinity. Okay, let me write. Option C is uxx equal to x and x belongs to 0 to infinity. So tell me what is x0, y0, u0. Then j0s, I put a. Tell me, yeah, anyone tell me.
Sir, S is x0.
S, right? Is it okay?
Yes.
I put x0 equal to fs, x0 as fs, y0 as gs, and u0 as hs. So what is a? A is my x square plus y square. So this is s square plus s square, f dash s is 1, this is s, because b is y is s, and c, f g dash is what? G dash is 1. So this is 2s square minus s. Okay, so just 1 minute. So this is, sorry, 1 minute. I don't know. Sorry, maybe some problem occur. Okay, is this 0 from in 0 to infinity interval? Tell me. Hello? Hello?
Sir, when s equals to 0, then it.
But the interval is given as 0 to infinity. Let me write. I don't know, maybe some problem suddenly. Okay, now it is solved. Okay. Hello? Hello, Robi? Yes, tell me. S is x equal to s I took, and s is belongs to 0 to infinity. So is it 0 anywhere? It is 0 at s equal to half, na? Half belongs to 0 to infinity, right?
Yes, sir. At half it is 0.
So that means j0 is non, j0 is equal to 0 for s equal to half. So transversity condition not satisfied at s equal to half. So I say option C is false. Option C is false. Okay. Now move to option D. Understand?
Yes, Yes, sir. Got, sir.
Now option D is u cos x comma sin x is 1 and x belongs to minus pi by 2 to 0. Let me write this. U cos x comma sin x equal to 1 and x belongs to minus pi by 2 to 0. Okay, so what is x0? Tell me. x0, y0, u0 and j0s equal to a. Tell me, sorry, here tell me, Robi or anyone, other person also can tell. Tell me.
Sir, 101.
Hey, no. Cos s sin s 1. So cos s sin s 1. Why you told 101? From where you get this? Tell me. You understand? This is not true. Robi, understand?
Yes, sir. Got, sir.
So a is my x square plus y square from the problem, and b is y. So what is a square? A fs gs hs. A x0 is fs, y0 is gs, and z0 is u0 is hs. So what is my a? It is cos square plus sin square, right? What is f dash s? Is minus sin s. What is b? B is y sin s gs, and what is g dash s is cos s. So what is this? This is 1 minus sin s cos s. So this is cos s plus sin square s, right? So is it g and s? I took x equal to s, and it is belongs to minus pi by 2 to 0. So means fourth quadrant, first, second, third, fourth here. So is it 0 anywhere? You know that this everywhere is positive here. It is sin is positive, cos is positive here, and tan is positive, and cos is positive here. You know this rule. Can you say this is 0 anywhere from this interval minus pi by 2 to 0? Only cos s. Can you tell? Is it 0? Cos s is 0. Ruby?
Sir, at minus pi by 2, it will be 0.
No, it is open interval I am taking.
Acha, okay.
It means all are positive here. Sin is positive here, tan is positive here, and cos is positive here. So in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive, and sin square means something square. It is always positive. So it is non-zero, always positive. So Jacobian is condition satisfied, transversality condition satisfied. So option D is correct. Understand?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Okay. Any question? Anyone? Other person? Robi? What the other name? Other is Shiva Kumar or Sharmila Devi. You have any question?